A Christmas present of a different kind for those in need has arrived. The federal government will provide funding for a first-of-its-kind blood cancer medicine. Joining me now for more on this is Professor Miles Prince, Director of Molecular Oncology at the Peter McCullum's Cancer Centre. How much of a breakthrough is this in medicine, and how much difference will this make in the fight against blood cancer?
This is a big announcement for patients with a particular type of blood cancer called multiple myeloma. Multiple myeloma is one of the 3 blood cancers that affects white blood cells, and it's an incurable disease. And everybody who's had frontline treatment for myeloma ultimately relapses. So this treatment gives those patients hope because it's a brand new way of treating this disease.
Were there success stories during the research phase in developing this medicine?
The biggest success story is that it actually makes people live longer. It is actually a treatment that doesn't actually cure the disease, but what it does is that we see really, really deep responses where the patient's cells get down to undetectable levels and the disease stays away for a long time. And as a result, patients live longer.
And how is this different to other medications that's currently available?
So this is a drug that uses the patient's own immune system which is enhanced by the use of antibodies. Can you still hear me there?
Oh, yes, we've got you.
Yeah. Sorry, yeah. It uses the patient's immune system along with antibody therapies. So these antibodies are produced like pharmaceuticals and they bind onto the actual plasma cell itself. And as a result of the binding onto the cell, it kills it, just like an antibody kills a virus.
And how many Australians will this benefit?
It's going to help about 1,500 patients a year. About 2,000 patients with myeloma are sorry, I've just got another call. It's slightly annoying me. About 2,000 patients are diagnosed each year, and therefore at times of relapse, about 1,200 patients will be helped every year.
And it will be available on the PBS from January 1. How much is it going to cost?
Previously, it would cost over $160,000 per patient per year. Now it's going to be $41 a month.
It's going to make a huge difference for so many people who need it the most. Professor Miles Prince, thank you so much for joining me.
Thank you so much.